Argan oil is highly regarded for its ability to moisturize and nourish hair, and when combined with honey, it creates a potent hair mask. Start by mixing 3 tablespoons of argan oil with 2 tablespoons of honey until well blended. Apply the mask to clean, damp hair, ensuring that each strand is coated. Massage it into your scalp as well for added hydration. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. This hair mask will leave your hair feeling soft, smooth, and deeply hydrated. 8. Shea butter and jojoba oil hair mask. Shea butter is a natural ingredient known for its exceptional moisturizing properties, and when combined with jojoba oil, it forms a luxurious hair mask. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of shea butter and adding 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil. Mix thoroughly until the ingredients are well incorporated. Apply the mask to damp hair, starting from the roots and working your way to the ends. Leave tea on for 1 to 2 hours, allowing the mask to deeply penetrate the hair shaft. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water to reveal hydrated, shiny hair. 9. Papaya and coconut milk hair mask. Papaya contains enzymes that help exfoliate the scalp and remove dead skin cells, promoting a healthy environment for hair growth. Combine half a ripe papaya with half a cup of coconut milk in a blend. Stir until smooth. Apply the mixture to clean, damp hair, making sure to cover the entire scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. This mask will not only hydrate your hair but also nourish the scalp, promoting healthier and stronger hair growth. 10. Rosewater and glycerin hair mask. Rosewater is a natural ingredient known for its hydrating and soothing properties, and when combined with glycerin, it creates a refreshing hair mask. Mix 1/4 cup of rosewater with 2 tablespoons of glycerin until well blended. Apply the mask to clean, damp hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. This mask will hydrate and revitalize our hair, leaving it soft, manageable, and with a subtle floral scent. 11. Green tea and apple cider vinegar hair mask. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that protect hair from damage, while apple cider vinegar helps balance the scalp's pH levels, promoting healthier hair growth. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to the green tea and mix well. Apply the mask to clean, damp hair and massage it into the scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. This hair mask will rejuvenate your hair, imparting shine and promoting a balanced scalp. 12. Oatmeal and honey hair mask. Oatmeal is not just a nutritious breakfast option but also an excellent ingredient for a hydrating hair mask. Blend half a cup of oatmeal until it becomes a fine powder. Mix the oatmeal powder with 3 tablespoons of honey to form a paste. Apply the mask to clean, damp hair, ensuring that it is evenly distributed. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. This mask will provide intense hydration to your hair, making it more manageable and reducing frizz. 13. Pumpkin and coconut milk hair mask. Pumpkin is rich in vitamins and minerals that promote hair growth and reduce hair loss, while coconut milk provides deep hydration. Start by blending half a cup of cooked pumpkin with half a cup of coconut milk until smooth. Apply the mixture to clean, damp hair, focusing on the scalp and ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. This mask will nourish your hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and strengthened. 14. Honey and yogurt hair mask.